Beosound Stage. Why audiophiles are secretly selling their hi-fi for this bar. Ever felt like your gorgeous 4K TV betrays you the moment someone speaks and it sounds like a drive-thru speaker? You're not alone. Half the comments on every unboxing video say the same thing. Picture equals God tier, sound equals tragic. Drop me below if you're tired of apologizing for your TV's voice.
You crank the volume, lose the dialogue, wake the kids, still miss the punchline. Meanwhile, your Spotify on phone sounds better than Netflix on your $4,000 screen. Imagine if one single object could fix all of that without adding ugly boxes or cables. Keep watching because that object exists and it's ridiculously pretty.
Meet the Bang Olufsen Beosound Stage, the only soundbar on Earth that looks like it belongs in a Copenhagen art gallery, yet punches with 11 custom drivers and real Dolby Atmos. 4 4-inch woofers slam bass down to 35 Hz with 0 separate sub needed. 3 tweeters and 4 midranges float voices so clearly you'll finally turn subtitles off forever. Up-firing Atmos drivers make rain fall behind you and helicopters fly over your head while the brushed aluminum frame just sits there looking smug. One busy architect told me he sold his entire Devialet Phantom setup after one night with the stage. It does everything my old system did, but my wife actually lets it stay in the living room. Here's your bonus trick. Switch to music mode in the B&O app and watch Spotify sound wider than your actual speakers ever did. You're welcome.
This is the part where thousands of owners lose their minds. One influencer said he played the same Hans Zimmer track on his Sonos Arc setup, then on the Beosound Stage. Immediately grabbed his phone and listed the Arc for sale that night. A What Hi-Fi reviewer wrote, "I've never heard dialogue this present from a single bar. It's borderline unfair." Real user Mark said his friends now refuse to watch movies at his place because everywhere else feels broken afterward. The bass isn't just deep, it's fast and textured. You feel the difference between a kick drum and a cannon. AirPlay 2, Chromecast, Bluetooth, Multiroom, everything just works. No dropouts, no lag. People keep asking, but where's the sub? And then you play Dune and they shut up forever. Which feature would make you upgrade tomorrow? The art piece design, the no sub needed bass, or the Atmos that actually works? Comment your pick below. I read every single one. Right now, the aluminum and black Beosound Stage is still in stock and ready to ship tomorrow. Thousands of film lovers and design snobs already made the jump and they're not going back. Click the link below, claim yours tonight, and in 48 hours, your TV will finally sound as expensive as it looks. Don't just watch this video, go full send and make every night movie night. Comment "Stage Me" if you're ready to ruin every other living room you ever visit. See you in the comments looking smug with your new sound.